My lights are installed, modified ones, so you can see the light dependent resistor is sticking out and measuring light. So it's installed outside. The light goes right there, and I made a second one. It's installed right there with the light going over here, and as you can see, it's not turning on when I'm moving around. Let's wait for a night to see how it works then. So I'm opening a door, leaving, and here you are. Look at that. Turns on and gives me the view of my stairs and everything. So I'm now not going to fall down. Now when I move a little bit more, this one turns on. So yeah, kind of works. All good. Now I can see this step over here, and then there is another light turned on. Okay. Basically, it kind of works. Let's see how it goes from the going backward. Alright, so imagine I'm coming home. Okay, this light just turned on, and now I'm going up the stairs, and this light just turned on. Nice.